The Motel STL model kit by 𝗧𝗵𝗲. These models are printed in 28mm scale. We include a $50 coin so you can appreciate its size. This is room number 10 of the motel. Let's see how to disassemble and assemble its parts. We remove the corridor roof and the rafters that support it. If we remove the roof of the room, we can access the interior. We see the space of the room and the complete bathroom. We can open and close the bedroom door. Also, the bathroom door opens and closes. We separate the base and the walls. To remove the bathroom elements, we take out the sink part. And we also remove the bathtub. In the bathtub we can place Janet with its water base. That fits in its interior space. The odd-numbered rooms have a symmetrical bathroom. So by rotating Janet we will place her in the bathtub in room number 1. Maybe Norman will arrive in disguise to give her a good scare. Now we are going to assemble all the pieces in the same way. We place the bathtub and also the sink. This last piece protrudes to easily fit the base. We place the missing door on its pivot axis. And now the beams and the roof of the corridor in position. Finally, we place the roof. And now everything is well fitted, even without gluing the different parts. The rest of the rooms fit together in a similar way. And all the bases will be assembled with the open lock system. Norman can now return to his position. And that's all. Thank you very much for your support.